Hey guys, today I'm gonna do a quick review about this Nugget Ice Maker that I got recently on Amazon. I literally just installed the machine like 20 minutes ago, and you can see, let me open right here. You can see that it's already making ice. It's been 20 minutes. This is so quick. I did clean this up before putting water. They tell you to do like a full cleanup, which is right here. Just press and hold the button for 5 seconds. In the machine, you add some water, of course, and the machine will wash itself for like 15 minutes, and then it's ready to use. I just can't believe that it's already making ice. It's so quick. I know it's not much, but I thought it was gonna take longer. It was very easy to put this machine together. The instructions were so clear. It does have a little bit of a weight. It's heavier than I thought it was gonna be, but I feel like it's a good thing. We tested a few other nugget ice machine makers and they were too light compared to this one. I feel like this one so far has the best quality. This ice maker can make 35 pounds a day of ice, which is a lot. I don't even think we're gonna use that much ice, but we really wanted a nugget ice machine because we like making coffee, and this is like right next to our coffee area. We love iced coffee. And yeah, I'm actually gonna show you the time right now. As you can see right here, it's 6:19, almost 6:20. Now I'm gonna come back in a few hours and show you how long it took this machine to make all the ice. All right, I am back 2 hours later, 8:33, and we have ice, a lot of ice. It's asking me to add more water, but I'm not gonna add more water because I feel like this thing is pretty full right now. Yeah, 2 hours to make ice. This is crazy how quick this machine can make ice. And as you can see, they are perfect. This is the perfect size too. All right, and now you know how quick it is to make ice using this machine. You can make so much ice in a day. It's crazy. I love it. Highly recommend this. Definitely one of the best purchases I had in a while on Amazon.